Myself Sanjay, third year, fifth sem, and this section. I'm here to explain about the copyrights and related rights. So I'll go directly to the main topics. So there are five main topics: non-copyright work, copyright registration, judicial powers of the registrar of copyrights, copyright-free structure, copyright symbol usage. So first we'll go with the copyright non-copyright work. So copyright protects the specific way something is expressed, not ideas, concepts, principles, or the facts. Things like discoveries, historical facts, titles, names, slogans, short phrases, and certificates cannot be copyrighted. Digital works are protected, but entire websites cannot be copyrighted as a whole. Only parts like text, images, or code can. Using someone's photo, video, or song without permission is copyright infringement, and the same applies if someone uses your work without your consent. So, the next topic is copyright registration. Copyright registration is not required to claim copyright. Your work is automatically protected as soon as it is created. Legal proof of ownership if disputes arise, such as questions about ownership, financial matters, or transfer of rights. You need to submit a formal request to get copyright while it's not mandatory. Registering your work is recommended for stronger legal protection in India. Copyright is governed by the Copyright Act 1957 and the Copyright Rules 2013. So we have the registration flowchart for the copyright registration where the applicant will file the application along with fee. After that, will issue a diary number which is mandatory for 30 days and he has to wait for the objection. If the objection is yes, then sending letter to the applicant, reply from the applicant, hearing by register, and decision of register will be taken place. If the register is satisfied, application will be accepted. If not, application will be rejected. If the objection filed is no, it will be scrutinized by the examiner and discrepancy where if the discrepancy is yes, discrepancy letter will be issued to the applicant. If no, application will be approved. So the next we have judicial powers of the Register Copyrights. The Register of Copyrights has powers similar to a civil court for tasks like summoning people, examining them under oath, requesting documents, accepting evidence, and examining witnesses. Registering a work usually takes 2 to 3 months, including 30-day waiting period. If someone objects to a copyright application, they can contact the registrar who will hear both sides before making a decision. Once objections are resolved, examiners evaluate the application. If there are further questions or issues, applicants are given about 45 days to address them. So the fourth topic is dramatic, musical or artistic work, 500 rupees, cinematography film 5000, sound recording 2000, and we have special cases, literary or artistic work used for goods services 2000, modification fees. So the fourth one is copyright fee structure. To register a work for copyright, a separate application must be submitted for each work along with the required fee. Note that the fee is non-refundable even if the application is rejected. Below is the detailed fee structure. Registration fee by work type, literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic work 500 rupees, cinematograph, film 5000 rupees, sound recording 2000, and we have a case called special cases where literary or artistic work Used for goods and services 2000 and modification fees. Changes in literary, dramatic, musical, or artistic work 200. Changes for goods services related work 1000. Changes in cinematograph film. Copyright details 2000. Changes in sound recording copyright details 1000. So we have an important prevention application where per entry point is 1200. But not least, we have the fifth one, copyright symbol usage. Although it is not mandatory to display the copyright symbol on your materials, doing so strengthens your case against infringement in court. Key elements to include in a copyright notice: the copyright symbol or the word copyright for compilations or derivatives works include the year of the first publication of the compilation or derivative work. The year can be omitted for works like pictorial, graphics, sculptural items, greetings, cards, etc. The name or recognized abbreviation of the copyright owner or an alternative destination of the owner for sound recordings. Use the symbol P, letter P in a circle instead of C. So, thank you.